Good afternoon. Welcome to Unacademy. So this is the lesson 2 of calculation based DI, जिसमें हम दो sets करने वाले हैं guys, totally based on calculations, and we'll be learning a few approximation shortcuts and a few tricky things related to how to use ratios and all, and a few things related to pie chart as well. So guys, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Shyam Jagrut. I am a computer science engineer. I have been training the students for 8 years now, and I have trained more than 7,000 students for MBA entrance exams. So I do train the students for LRDI section as well as the quantitative ability section. So guys, agenda for today's session is learning the tricks. That is the most important part in calculation based DI. And we'll practice two sets of quantitative ability. It will be easy to moderate level of sets. So mostly targeting for those who are targeting for SNAP CET, they must solve this set. And those who are preparing for CAT as well. So if you want to practice bit easier sets, so this is the appropriate session for you guys. So guys, let's begin. Before we start, let me tell you, this is our new YouTube channel, Unacademy CAT4MBA. Do subscribe. And we have one Telegram channel, that is CAT4MBA. So we do upload the PDF notes and everything over there. You'll get the study material and all. And as well as I'll recommend all of you, those who are going to write the MBA entrance exams like SNAP, CET, CAT this year, they can go for Unacademy Plus subscription. These are very cheaper plans. 1 year subscriptions goes close to 16,000. 2 years it is 19,000. And you can use my discount code SHAM1 to avail instant 10% discount, guys. So do use the code if you are willing to go for the plus subscription. So guys, let's begin. This is the one set which is totally based on calculations. You need to interpret the information, try to connect the clues and do few calculations at your own. I'll recommend all of you to read it quickly, guys. It should not take more than 2 minutes to read the information and understand it. It's a very straightforward clue. A library has only 8 books on only 8 subjects: English, science, biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, geography, and political science. The ratio of the mathematics and the geography books is given as 8:6, and the ratio for the ratio of the English to science book is 7:5. Good afternoon, Rajat. So here is one set of DI, Rajat. Try it. It's very easy. The number based on calculation. That's it, guys. Straightforward information here. The number of physics and political science, chemistry, and biology books in the library are 6,400, 5,200, 4,200, and 5,800 respectively. The sum of the number of books of English, science, and biology is 20,200. And the sum of the number of books of chemistry, maths, and geography was 19,600. So simply, the main challenging thing in this question is, guys, this is the typical question level of a CET, you can say, where you need to be very quick to answer. You just have 1 minute to solve one question. So this say you need to finish an exam, you need to finish in just 5 minutes. So and all the calculation part, and there will be 5 sub questions. Even SNAP will have this level of difficulty sometimes. This is easy level, I can say. So let's start. जो डेटा हमें दिया है, पहले तो हमने क्लियरली यहाँ पे जो दिया है फिजिक्स, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, केमिस्ट्री एंड बायोलॉजी के नंबर डायरेक्टली दिए हुए हैं 6,400, 5,200, 4,200 and 5,800. Then we have the ratio of the maths and geography books. Maths and geography books are in the ratio of 8:6, and English and science are in the ratio of 7:5. This totally depends how you represent the information at the same time. So always try to represent it the way which you are convenient with. So try to represent that way the information, whether it is a set of LR, logical reasoning, or data interpretation. Then the sum of the English, science and biology is 20,200. English, science and biology, these three addition is 20,200, and we know 5,800, almost 6,000 यहाँ पे हो गया. So the remaining number, English plus science, you can say English plus science must be 20,000 minus 20,200 minus 5,800. That comes out to be 14,400. This is how you can conclude. And we know if this is 7x, this is 5x, total will be 12x, and 12x simply comes out to be 14,400. Right, Rajat? Are you getting this? So x is 1200, so English books must be 12 sevens are 84, 8,400 and 12 fives are 60. That is 6,000. I hope it's too easy. Then we are given with the next summation: chemistry, maths and geography, total 19,600. Out of which chemistry we directly know it is 4,200. So we need to subtract 4,000 from 19,000, it is 15,600, and this 200 also gets subtracted. So 15,400 will be maths and geography will be 15,400. That's what you can conclude. Let's take it as 8y, 6y. So totally it is 14y. And if 14y is 15400, so it is divisible by 14, sorry. So y is 1100, and you'll get to know that is the number of math books will be 8800, and the number of geography books will be 6,600. Right, Rajat? It should not take more than a minute to figure out these values, guys. You can just write on the shortcut PHY for physics, political science, chemistry, write in a row. Next row you'll be writing the numbers depending on the subject. So this is what you got. Remember this 4 values जो हमने अभी calculate किए, and that's the end of this set. Now you can quickly finish the 5 questions. So basically in exam like CET, if this type of question come, most of the student can finish this all 5 questions in just next 3 minutes. So guys, quickly try it. So what are the values we got? 8,400, 6,000, 6,600, 8,800 for maths. So what is the sum of the number of books of physics and mathematics in the library? So physics and mathematics we know it is 8,800, and physics it is 6,400 and 8,000. 6,000 plus 8,000 you can do is 14,000, 15,200. That's the right answer. Answer option D. Rajat, how are you finding these questions? Is it easy, tough, moderate? Any doubt, Rajat, in understanding the question? So what was the total number of books in the library? Total number of books in the library. So we need to add the total. As I said, just a calculation, guys. It totally depends how fast and quick your calculations are. I'll just write down the values again. 8,400. This was 6,000. This was 8,800 and 6,600. Good afternoon, Shubhankar. So guys, quickly add 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 5,000, it is 10, 10, 20,000 तो यहाँ पे हो जाता है. Then it is again 1,000 more, you can see here 21,600. What we'll do, how to add, मैंने पहले भी ये शॉर्टकट शेयर किया है. You can just look at the thousands place. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8, 28 plus 6, 34 plus 8, 34 plus 8, guys, it is 42 plus 6, 48,000, right Shubhankar? 48,000. After that come to the hundreds place. 48,000 अपने हो गए. Remember that figure 48,000. Then 400, 200, 200, 800, 800, 1,600. Then this is 2,000. ये 400 अगर लेते हैं तो 2,800 and 3,400. So 48,000 and 3,400. So this comes out to be 51,400. Rajat, you missed the calculation again. Do it properly. Have you understood the shortcut, Rajat? Thousands place, hundreds place, that's how I add. It is 15,000, 51,400 is the correct answer. Answer option 2. Don't miss on the calculation, guys. And these are the sets, these are the basics DI set. Then the total number of books of geography and political science combined was the percentage of the total number of book. Was what percentage of the total number of books of physics, chemistry and bio. So you need to add physics, chemistry, bio and geography, political science. So let's add physics, chemistry and bio. So physics, then chemistry and bio. If we add all these values 6,000, ये easily add हो जाएगा. 6,000 और 4,000 हो गया 10,000, 16,400. And the next two subjects were geography and political science. 16,400 ये total हुआ. Then geography and political science we want. Geography is 6,600 and political science is 5,200. So if we add these two values 5,000 और 6,000 हो गया 11,800. It is 11,800. So what is the percentage? What is the shortcut for this? Rajat, Shubhankar, can you drop in the comment कितना परसेंट होगा ये? I want to you to do the calculation, guys. You to do the calculation, guys, because this DI is more of approximation. अब ये तुम्हें quickly 30 सेकेंड के अंदर कैसे approximate करना है वो समझना चाहिए. So it is close to 118 and 164 into 100. How to do this calculation part? Answer option A, Shubha. Sudarshana said answer option A, it is 71%. Okay, Sudarshana, I'll tell you one trick. So guys, denominator, look at the denominator. All of you will remember this trick, guys. Remember this, denominator is nothing but 100%, because the comparison in percentage comparison is with the denominator. अगर 164 100% है तो इसका 10% कितना होगा? 10% will be 16.4. That's how you can guess. It will be close to 70%. तुम्हारा आंसर है 71. Okay, if I take 70%, first answer option, the 7 times of 16 sevens are. टेबल आना इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस, तुम्हें टेबल आने चाहिए. टेबल अगर आते हैं तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा ये जाता है 112 के आसपास. So it will be greater than 70%. So close to that is 71.95%. That's how you can approximate. कुछ और भी ट्रिक्स मैंने बताए थे अप्रोक्सीमेशन के लिए. अगर किसी ने 118 डिवाइड बाय 164 इंटू 100 अगर करना है, यू कैन डू दिस वे. 118 डिवाइड बाय, आई विल डिक्रीज द डिनोमिनेटर गाइस, आई विल टेक इट एज 150 इंटू 100. एंड अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा 2 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 3 3s are 39 into 2, close to 78% जाएगा. Now understand one thing, 78% इसलिए जा रहा है क्योंकि तुमने डिनोमिनेटर कम कर दिया. डिनोमिनेटर कम करने की वजह से ये वैल्यू जो है ये बढ़ चुका है. तो इससे कम आंसर आएगा, दैट इज द अदर गेस, अगर आंसर ऑप्शन काफी दूर दूर है तो। जैसे यहाँ पे तुम इजीली गेस कर सकते थे, एकदम से 64 तो नहीं जाएगा 78 से गाइस, थोड़ा सा डिनोमिनेटर कम किया था। So if we decrease the denominator, answer should be decrease, and if we increase the denominator and solve, the answer should be increase. That's the simple shortcut related to approximate calculation. You can remember. Hope so you know that. Okay, the last one. What is the difference between the total number of books of English, Science, Chemistry combined and the total number of books of Physics and Mathematics? English, Science, Chemistry, you need to add English, Science and Chemistry. So let's add it. English and Science and Chemistry. It is 4,000, 8,000 is 12,000, 18,000 हो रहा है, 18,600 guys. So this comes to be 18,600. And Physics and Maths, then we want Physics and Maths. So Physics is 6,400 and Maths is 8,800. So it will be 8,000 plus 6,000, 14,000, 15,000 and 200. 15,200 for this. So what is the difference? Difference will be 18,000 minus 15,000 is 3,000 difference, and 600 minus 200 is 400. So difference is 3,400. Right. Sudarshana, Rajat, we got the last question correct. Shubhankar saying, sir, I joined late. It's perfectly fine, Shubhankar. This was very easy set for you. I'm quite sure you'll be able to solve at your own, and it is more of calculation, guys. Yes, 3,400 guys, that's all of you got it correct. Okay, so hope you are enjoying the calculation based tricks, क्योंकि calculations बहुत important है guys. Once you'll start enjoying the calculation part, most of the part of quantitative ability will be very easy for you. Because percentage, profit loss, simple interest, speed time distance, time and work, these are the topics when you need to do calculation very frequently. And if you are weak in the calculation part, then तुम्हें concept पढ़ने में उतना मजा नहीं आएगा. So what I'll suggest, if you are preparing, start preparing for quantitative ability and all, before that तुमने अपने calculations पे हमेशा work करना चाहिए. Try to remember the tables and all. So once your calculations are above average, then you'll definitely enjoy the quantitative ability topics, all the QA topics, and that will surely help you in data interpretation sections of all the exams. Doesn't matter if it is SNAP, CET or CAT, calculations are more important. It should be very fast. Don't try to use the calculators. Try to do most of the calculations you need to do in manually. In even CAT there is screen calculator is allowed, but I'll suggest don't go for that. Rarely you need to 1 or 2 questions you'll be using that screen calculator. Otherwise you should do the calculation part at your own manually, because जिसके calculation fast होते हैं, those students surely will be saving 20% of their time as compared to the average student, you can say. Chalo guys, so let's start with ready for the next set. Rajat, Shubhankar, Sudarshana. Rajat is saying message delay hota hai. Okay, just a minute. Okay guys, there is one more question. Sorry, there are 5 questions on this set. What was the average number of the books of biology, maths, English, geography? That's a very simple question. Let's finish it and then we'll move to the next set. Bio, maths, English, geography का average हमें चाहिए. Quickly calculate guys. You can do it at your own. Bio, maths, English, geography. Biology, maths, English and geography. These 4 subjects we need to add and take the average of these 4 subjects. So it is 5,800, 8,400, 6,600. So 5,000 plus 8,000, 13 plus 6, 19, sorry, 13 plus 8, 21, plus 6, 27, then 600 and 400, 28, 2880, 28,800, and we want to calculate the average of this. It will be 7,200. I hope you understood this. What's the average, guys? Let's quickly cross check once. What's the average of bio, maths, English and geography? Sorry, bio, maths, English and geography. Bio, maths, English and geography. Okay, 5,000, 8,000 is 13,000, and 1,200 more, so 14,200. 14,200 and this 800 can be 13,000, 21,000, 27,600, right? 27,600 divide by 4, it will be 6. What is your answer, guys? What's the answer for the last question? Why we are not getting it right? Okay, let's give it a last try, guys, quickly. 8,800, 6,600, it is 14,000.